birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po. Tatay Tony po. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Tay. Love you. See you soon. Stay strong. Dito lang kami. Okay?
birthday po.
Ingat sa biyahe. Happy birthday. Love you. Me.
Kain, tatay. Stay healthy. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tatay Tony. We love you.
Oni, ayan. Birthday mo na naman. Tumatanda ka na. Sige, patuloy mo lang yung mabuting gawa mo. Salamat. Keep on praying. More power. Blessing coming from the Lord be upon you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tatay. Ow!
Happy birthday, Tatay. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tata Tony. I love you. God bless. Thank you po. Mwah.
Okay, happy birthday, Tay. Kamusta ka na po dyan? Hope you have a blessed birthday po, Tatay, in these coming few days. And also po, take care of your health talaga po. So, please take care of yourself lang. It's just...
Happy birthday, Ty. We love you. We hope you have a very blessed birthday this year and many years to come. We thank you for taking care of us when we were younger and still looking out for us. We love you even though Nanay is gone, but she is always in our hearts. Why you laugh? Okay, love you.
Ingat po,
See you
love you
soon,
po. See you
Ty.
soon po.
Love you.
Bye.
Record.
Wala pa nga eh. Okay na.
Okay na.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Kuya Tony. Okay. I wish you well.
Mama, magsasalita.
Ayaw niya kasi iiyak. Iiyak
si
eh.
Mama.
Happy birthday daw kay Mama. Kuya, happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Mahal ka namin.
Si Lovely.
Lovely. Happy birthday po. Sana magkabukas na kayo.
Okay, Tay. Hindi nga magkakabuhat na yun.
Oh, Mama, last
Si
na.
Mama.
Huwag umiyak na. Sige na. Happy birthday lang. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday. Happy birthday daw. Happy birthday. Birthday.
Ingat, Kuya.
Kuya, love you.
Bye-bye. We love you, Kuya.
Birthday din ni JJ bukas.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. God bless po and we wish na maging maganda po lagi yung health nyo and lagi kayong gabayan ni Lord. Happy birthday, Tatay. We love you and we pray that you are doing okay and may God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Meron akong gustong sabihin sa'yo sa Proverbs. Sabi niya, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will direct your path. Lagi mong alalahanin na kasama mo ang Panginoon kahit ikaw ay nag-iisa. Nandito kami, nandito ang buong pamilya na magsusupport sa'yo. Sana sa lahat ng biyahe mo, kasama mo ang Panginoon at ingatan ka niya. At ganoon din na magkaroon ka ng kalakasan at patuloy na mag-serve sa Panginoon. Maraming salamat sa buhay mo at mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Sinabi na ni Ayla. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Thank you, Tatay, for being a blessing sa buhay namin. Thank you for being there lagi sa amin at I pray more memories pa. Happy birthday, Tatay! Okay na.
Hello Kuya Tony, happy birthday. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Ingatan mo yung katawan mo. Lagi kang uminom ng gamot. Huwag mo kalimutan. Alam mo, alalahanin mo na dito kami, mga kapatid mo. Maski wala na si ate. Kinikilala ka namin bilang nakakatandang kuya. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Maski na minsan nakakapikon yung joke mo, pero okay lang yon. Ganon ka eh. Okay lang yan. Habang hinintay natin si Lord, happy lang tayo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tatay!
Happy Halloween, Kuya Tony. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Sama ng mga anak mo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Tony. Wish you all the best. Good health. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa pamilya natin, sa iyong concern, tulong, unconditional love. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Kuya. Kahit wala na si Ate Ellen, ikaw yung panganay namin sa magkakapatid, aside from Ate Jane. Salamat sa iyo, sa pagmamahal. We love you, Kuya Tony. Happy birthday. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Tatay! We love you! Happy birthday po, Tatay. Sana po ay humaba pa po ang iyong buhay at sana po ay hindi po kayo magkakasakit. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sacrifices niyo sa amin ni Johnny at sa lahat ng suporta niyo sa amin. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Tatay. We love you always. Ang last wish ko po talaga sa iyo, Tatay, ay sana po ay pag ikaw ay maghanap ng girlfriend, dapat kasing sexy ni nanay, kasing kamukha ni nanay, kasing ganda magluto, at dapat sa higit pa sa lahat ay dapat kaugali ni nanay.
Happy birthday, Tatay! Sana po lagi kayong healthy, masaya, at surrounded ng mga taong nagmamahal sa inyo.
Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices at love na lagi niyong binibigay sa amin.
We love you, Tatay. Enjoy your special day. You deserve all the blessings in the world.
Would you like me to make it sound more emotional and heartfelt? Shorter and casual?
1, 2, 3. Happy Halloween! Happy birthday!
Malaman.
Wow!